Good morning, fly babies. It's another beautiful morning in North Florida. I'm watching bluebirds going in and out of a little birdhouse on the pine tree in front of me, and I wanted to tell you hello. So today I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and so in our 3-layer cake we have our morning routines, our basic weekly plan, which today is car and purse day, and our zone. Again, we're in zone 2, that's the kitchen. So here we go. Whether you're working or not, we're going to get up early before the family and do our morning routines. That takes about 20 minutes, give or take. It includes making your bed, swishing and swiping the sink and toilet, getting yourself ready, including washing your face, brushing your teeth, moisturizing your skin, putting on some makeup, putting on a little bit of jewelry, fixing your hair, getting your clothes on, going to the kitchen, emptying the dishwasher or dish rack, and making a little breakfast. Sounds like a lot, but it's really not. It's just simple movements. Enjoy the beauty of the movement. All right, and then after that, we're going to put our family through their morning routine. And for children, that includes making their bed, washing their face, brushing their hair, brushing their teeth, wiping the toothpaste out of the sink, hanging up their hand towel, putting their PJs away or in the dirty clothes, and getting dressed, coming to the kitchen and having breakfast. Again, a series of movements. Most of them can do those movements on their own. You may have to help 3-year-olds do those things. 4-year-olds are a little pokey. You might want to assist, but mostly you're going to be there to observe and instruct. And for the older children, to inspect what you expect. Pop your head in there every now and then, see how they're doing. You won't have anything else to do because you're done, so it'll be easy. All right, next thing we're going to do is the second layer, which is our basic weekly plan. However, if you're going to work, you won't be doing that yet. So you're going to get in your car, drive to work, or ride to work, or whatever means it takes you to get there, or go downstairs to your office or whatever, and do your morning routine at work, which includes saying hello to everyone, you know, not spending a fortune in time talking to them, getting your coffee and tea, or tea and water, and going to your desk, which is nice and clean, opening up your control journal, your business control journal, going through everything that's in there, and then at lunch and or break we can think about what's going on at home and how we can implement that from work. Now, car and purse day is simple. Always keep some Walmart bags or grocery bags in your desk, little plastic ones. Go out there to the car and throw all the trash away. Anything else goes in the bag to take home, so you can sort it out when you get there, unless you put something in the car for work that you forgot to bring in. For your purse, you won't be able to dump it out in front of everybody, but you can at least go through it, get out the trash, throw it away, and then anything that doesn't belong in there, pacifiers, stuffed animals, whatever, put those in a little bag, roll it up, stick it in your purse, so when you get home you can put those things away as well. Remember again that if you are trying to keep your car clean, then the key to this is when you turn your car off and you unbuckle your seat belt, that's your reminder that, oh, let me look around and see what I can take in. Okay, this McDonald's Coke cup needs to go out, and oh, the pair of shoes my sister gave me, I need to bring those in the house, and things like that. So quick and easy. Do the same thing for your kids. Remind them before you get to your destination. We're about to get to the house, so when I turn the car off, I want you guys to pick up all the things once you unbuckle that need to go in the house. Don't leave your stuff in the car, or I might throw it away. And don't leave trash in the car, okay? All right, so if it's something they really love, like their stuffed animal, their blankie, they need to get it and take it in. Trash, you're gonna stand there and inspect what you expect. Get your stuff, let's go. Get the trash out, good job, right? All right, next thing is, that's it for the basic weekly plan. So you can do that at work, just like you can do that at home. So that's the next thing you're gonna do. And then the last thing today is our zone. So let's talk about if you're working. So when you go home today and you start supper, you've got some time when that supper is cooking or holding that you can do 15 minutes in the kitchen if you have to declutter, or one thing in the kitchen, which takes less than 15 minutes generally to clean. As far as the basic weekly home blessing hour, if you haven't accomplished that and you're doing it in 10-minute increments, you can also do that during this time. When you first get home, you're going to start your laundry, so you're going to keep your ears out for that so that you can get your laundry in the dryer as soon as it's washed. And then once it's dry and sweet and warm, you're going to listen for the dryer. So that's the key time to fold it and put it away, or hang it up and put it away, okay? All right, the next thing we're going to do is after dinner routine. So after dinner, everyone's coming together and we're all cleaning the kitchen together. Remember, when you're cooking, take your time to wash whatever it is you're using as you go, or rinse it and put it in the dishwasher as you go, to wipe your spills as you go, so that when you turn around, it doesn't look like World War III has happened in your kitchen. It's a very simple cleanup. The last pan or two need to be washed or soaked. Everything else goes in the dishwasher, counters wiped off, sink wiped off, and anything swept up off the floor that might have spilled. That's it. Super easy. Okay, let me go to my at-home fly babies. At-home fly babies, remember, after your morning routines, you're going to start your laundry. Keep your ear out for it. As soon as it's dry, wash, put it in the dryer. As soon as it's dry, it's sweet and warm. My favorite 2 words for laundry, sweet and warm. Fold them up, hang them up, put them away. Now you've done the laundry. Until then, the machines have done the laundry and created Mount Foldmore for you if you haven't folded them and put them away. And we don't want to have to scale Mount Foldmore, do we? If you do have to, that's all right, get it done, but try to prevent that from happening in the future by handling your current laundry immediately. If you have leftover laundry from before, you'll catch up with that, but at least handle the current. All right, so you've got the laundry, you've gone through 1 inch of your paper. If you still have paper, if you don't, excellent. Make sure to keep it that way by not bringing in more clutter. Check your mail, don't bring in trash. Check your children's things, don't bring in excessive things. Keep only primo things for your children, things that are worth keeping. Okay, now I think some of you think that it's all worth keeping, and that's your call. Just remember, you have to have the real estate to store that stuff. The last thing, we're all coming together to clean the kitchen after dinner, and then we're going to do our before bed routines. Remember, if you're already tired, it's important for you to do your before bed routine first and then take care of the children. If you're not tired, then take care of the children, overseeing them if they're 4 or older, overseeing them. If they're younger than that, participating in and assisting them in learning how to take care of themselves at night. Remember, we're going to do 3 clutter checks every day: after breakfast, when you get home from work, or in the middle of the day if you're at home, and before bed. So before bed routine starts with, I'm going to give you 30 minutes to watch your show, and then we're going to get ready for bed and have a clutter check. And then 5 minutes before that, in 5 minutes, Mom's going to do a clutter check. So y'all think about getting it all picked up in just a few minutes. Okay, all right, it's time for bed, so clutter check. Go ahead and get all your stuff put up, and you can coordinate that. And try not to emphasize the word all. Let's put these few little things away, something like that makes them feel like it's not overwhelming. Just put your trucks in that box, good job. Put your Legos in this, good job. The dolls go over there, and these go in the bedroom, whatever it is. So you can oversee that. As they get older, you're just going to inspect what you expect. You're going to expect a 9-year-old to totally clean up after themselves and just go in there and say, you left something, come back in here. See, you forgot that. That's okay. Get it put up. Good job. And then they're going to bathe themselves, wash their hair if they need to, brush their teeth, put on their PJs, put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, pick out a book, and you're going to read them a story, a whole picture book, or 1 chapter of a chapter book. That's it for today. Don't forget to get yourself ready for bed and prepare for tomorrow. Look at your planner, see what's on there. How do you need to dress? What do you need to do for the kids? What needs to go by the front door? And it makes life a whole lot easier. Always plan. And always remember that you are beautiful. Bye. Thank you.